so much bros, you don't even knows.
Woo!
You don't even know.
Such bros.
Yeah, so there's the door.
There's the door. I know that phrase.
So we added some posters.
Yes, we did. We added 2 posters
We added
today.
this one, which is, Jordan, want to tell what that one is?
This is our special little happy band that we love.
Yep.
The Real Big Fish.
They are pretty freaking awesome.
You know who they are, then you are probably
You
cool.
earned this.
Yes, you did. You
earned a
definitely did.
thumbs up.
You definitely did. But, and then we got a Destiny poster up over here.
Yep, Destiny's pretty awesome.
Came with the game.
Game. Came with the game.
Mm-hmm.
The game's cool.
So we can throw it up there.
Yep.
So we got 2 posters up. I think that's we're gaining progress here.
That's how you know things are getting official around here.
Mm-hmm. We're starting to put posters up on the walls.
Posters.
Posters.
So
I feel like Forrest Gump. Poster.
Yeah. Anyway, enough impressions of us saying poster.
Yes.
So Mars. What about it?
Oh yes, Mars. I love Mars. That is my favorite planet.
Jordan has recently decided that we're going to all be able to go to Mars.
Yes, really soon actually. In at least 30 years, or not 30 years, but with probably 2030, I would say that we'll have
by
gotten a man
2030.
Yeah, by 2030 we'll have gotten
So
a man to Mars. And by
So you're saying within 16 years
yes,
that someone will have landed on Mars?
not NASA. NASA will not have landed on Mars. In 2020, NASA is going to send another rover up to Mars, and they're going to see if there's more life. You know, they're always checking out.
And
see
this
if
is
there's
like
more
an
life.
official thing?
Yeah. This
Okay.
is a real thing.
In 2020, that's
Mhm.
okay.
That's the plan anyway. They're going to recycle some old pieces from some old rovers. You know,
Right.
you know how they are. Don't want to use
They're
new stuff.
they're running
you know?
on a high budget
They
right now.
they really are. They got all the money they need.
All kinds of money going on.
But yeah, so we're going to be going to Mars. Not me and Chandler.
No,
unfortunately.
not yet.
But what's going to happen is we're going to get to be 90 years old.
We're gonna be old crotchety men.
Old crotchety men. Hopefully we're both still alive by then.
Probably. Still broing it up.
Right? Still doing these such bros.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully.
Maybe.
And I think that you will be able to go to space, no matter who you are, for a low, flat rate.
Like plane, like air travel.
Exactly. Like air travel amounts.
So are you thinking like?
That's what we're talking here.
So why would people be going to the moon? Because they've got relatives living
You
on the moon.
wouldn't
or
be
like...
going to the moon. You would be going into space. They won't be able to send you to the moon.
Oh, okay.
I don't think by that time they'll be able to send you to the moon. They'll be able to take you up into space. You'll be able to fly around a bit, come back down.
Okay. And how near of a future are you thinking on that?
Probably by the end of our lives. Will it be affordable?
Affordable. That's the thing.
In the next 10 or 20 years, definitely, rich people will be able to go to, space.
They'll have more commercial.
Mm-hmm. It'll be available for commercial, but not anybody will be able to just buy a space ticket.
Yeah, and I think people.
I think space travel is faster than air travel, right?
Yeah, significantly.
To get around the Earth?
Well, yeah.
I feel like.
Yeah, but you do. I don't know. It's you rotate around. It takes a while to go around the Earth.
Yeah.
So it's not like you're gonna want it. It's not like a practical travel purpose.
So
it's the purpose of doing that would be to go to space.
Yeah.
You wouldn't really. It's not practical with a plane. It's not it'll get you there faster. It's an affordable vacation.
Right. Anybody will be able to go to space. It doesn't matter if you're black or white or whatever you are. It doesn't matter
if you're an alien.
If you're an alien, if you're a gaylian, which is a word we've used to describe many aliens who are gay.
Yep.
So any orientation, alien or human.
We're not picky, or they're not picky.
They're not picky about it. So
we're not in charge of that.
No, we're not like the space dudes yet.
No.
We're not in charge of what
Yeah,
But,
I do. They do. We do.
But I feel like in the future, they'll have better special thingies to.
Oh, special
Yeah.
thingies.
Yeah.
What special thingies? Enlighten me.
Special thingies like you know how they have like the metal detectors.
Yeah.
Well, they'll have better metal detectors.
Yeah.
And they'll be able to detect other things besides metal.
So like phone detectors.
Yes. Or like X-ray machines.
They already have those.
They'll have more of those.
So you're saying that like, well, actually, they probably won't make X-ray machines more practical because X-rays are like slightly poisonous.
Yeah, X-rays are already pretty bad.
So
So,
it's like you could just kill people.
but basically, I think they could really terraform Mars to work. You know, first of all, they could get the greenhouse effect going so that it would be warm enough.
All up in that hizzy.
Yeah, see that's how it works though. You can get a bunch of that nasty carbon dioxide going over there, and
We just
take
ship
it
all
out
the
of-
carbon
take
dioxide
it out
to
of-
Mars.
out of Earth.
What
Put it
if-
on Mars?
What if we took like a giant tube, right? And we pooled all of our resources and made a tube that led straight to Mars.
I think that would be a really good idea. Like one of those things that you see when you drive up to the bank and you press the button and it goes.
Exactly. Those are always so fantastic. It
Right,
doesn't
right.
matter like what, but like there's just a giant one floating,
Through space, but the problem is that Earth turns around this way.
and so does Mars.